Do you want to know how you can get paid to play fun games on your phone by using the Pawns app's new earning opportunity? Then this video is for you. My name's Michael and I've talked about Pawns, both the website and the app before, and there's been a update where you can now earn by also playing games, and I wanted to give an update about that, so I decided to record this video here where I'll show you exactly how to play these Pawns games and show you how to earn, how much you can earn and all that, so you can find out if this is the right earning opportunity for you or not. So before I show you how you can earn by playing games on Pawns, let me just first clarify that this is not a full Pawns app review, because I have that somewhere else, both on my website and my YouTube channel. I'll leave links to that below so you can check that out. In this video here, we will focus on an update they have where they have now introduced a new fun way where you can earn by playing games on your phone. So just in case you never heard of Pawns before, it is a website and an app. You can take a lot of paid services, it had a lot of paid services available in basically all countries, and you can also earn passively just by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. And now they've also introduced more ways to earn, for example, by playing games, and I do like that they continuously expand and give more and more earning opportunities. But just be aware, even though you can both use Pawns on your computer and on your phone, then the games you can earn by playing are only available through the app on your phone. You can use that both for iOS and Android devices, so it doesn't matter which device you have there, but I will now log in and then I'll show you how it works inside the app. So I have now logged in to the Pawns app, and as you can see, the menu down here, you need to be on the Earn tab if you want to find the games at the top. The first time you come to the game section, it will likely look a little bit different, so you need to click there and then you need to allow it to track data usage, because that's, you know, how it is that it can track how long you played, because you will get paid per minute you actually play, so it's quite important that it can track that. But what you need to do is you just need to click there where it says games, and then it will open up, and it's these kind of playtime games, so that means that it will track how long you play, as I just mentioned, and you can see these different games you can download. You can see approximately how much you will earn. In this case here, for example, this is per task you will get, this here is per minute there, and you can click more to read more about what the exact requirements are. You can see here how much you would get for the different tasks of per minute and things like that. But just be aware, when you first come here to the catalog, as it's called here, there might not be that many. When I first came, there was only like a couple of them, but then I downloaded and started playing them, and then more became available anyway. So that's just something to be aware of. So even if there's maybe just 1 or 2 games and think, it's not really the games I want to play, then still you can just download them, open it, play it for a minute or so, and then more games will pop up here. So maybe then there are other games you prefer playing instead. But one thing that's very important is that once you then download the games and start playing, you can see here, I can click here to my games there. Then you go here and you click here to play now, because you need to open it through here to be sure that they track everything. And then you can also keep a track on your progress here. So for example, I can click more here, and then you can see, for example, here for this particular game, the first minute there, I got 6 cents actually. Also for the second minute there, 6 cents. How it then works with playtime games like this is that then, you know, then you have to play longer to get the rewards. Then it was 2 minutes to get 6 cents, another 2 minutes, 3 minutes there, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. It becomes a little bit longer you have to play. But as you can see, the total also say the total that I can earn for this particular game is $3.73. So it's also quite decent reward there, but of course it will take quite a long time to reach that level. So at some point, you know, it's only fun if you really like playing the game. What I do like is that the games you're playing here, it's not like spammy games with all kind of ads popping up. It's actually real games, so if you like playing those games, why not play it through an app like Pawns, where you can come here, download it, and actually get paid while you play a game that you're enjoying. If you're mainly doing it to earn, then it of course makes sense to keep an eye on when you don't think it's worth it anymore, then jump and play some of the other games instead. You can see this other one here also. Here it was 5 cents for the first minute, and then you know, increases there also. For some of them you can see, for example here, this one here, it's 1 cent for the first minutes there, and then it will unlock, so you can see the different levels as you start playing it. But you can always see, okay, the maximum for this particular game here would be 87 cents. But I've tested quite a few apps that allow this playtime games there, and I must say that Pawns does it in a quite nice way, quite user friendly. First of all, because they show it in dollars, so you know exactly what you get. You know, those games, for example, that I played here, I knew like, okay, it's 6 cents I get per minute. It's not some like 200 points, and then you look at credit, and it turns out it's like worth like $0.0005 or something like that, because many playtime apps does that. But Pawns is very transparent and user friendly like that. And also, yes, this will not make you rich or anything like that, but Pawns actually does pay more for these games than many other playtime apps that I have tested. So I do like this option, and if you do like playing games on your phone, then this can be a fun way to earn even more on Pawns, in addition to, for example, taking the paid service and sharing your unused internet. You can even share your unused internet bandwidth on your phone, for example. While playing those games, you will actually earn passively in the background while doing this. So in that sense, you're actually earning even more on Pawns and making it more efficient there. So overall, I think it's really cool that they have introduced this new option there. So to sum it up, I think that the playtime option inside Pawns is really great. It is one of the best playtime apps that I've seen, because many of them are really not worth it and not very user friendly. There's a lot of spammy ads and things like that. Nothing like that is actually going on Pawns. So I do like that they have introduced this option. Also, I do like that they in general seem to keep expanding and developing both the website and the app, so it gives us more earning opportunities. And I know that it does pay. I have also several videos where I show payment proof. You can also find the full written tutorial and video here on my channel where I also show payment proof. I'll leave links to that below there. And also, if you decide to join, you can also get a great joining bonus. You can get $1 into your account right away. If you join through my invitation link, then you will get another $1 the first time you withdraw, another $1 the second time you withdraw, so a total of $3 joining bonus. I'll leave my invitation link below. That will also support my channel, will give you the joining bonus, and I will definitely appreciate that support. Also, make sure to use that if you have not signed up yet. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.